Need help with verification of issues or re-evaluation? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Once you are logged in, you'll see different sections on the left side. Students can raise issues across all subjects in a single attempt. They can also select multiple issues simultaneously rather than applying separately for each issue. Now, if you want to apply for verification of issues, select Verification of Issues. You will see the subjects for which you have already obtained scanned copies. For example, if you have applied for the scanned copy of English Core, it will appear here. Select the subject. Now, you can choose the issue you want to report. The available options are missing pages, supplementary copy missing, graph missing, map missing, blurred scanned answer book does not belong to me, evaluated with wrong set. Let's say you select missing pages. You will be asked to enter the page numbers that are missing. For example, 1, 2, 3, 8 and 22. If a supplementary copy is missing, select Supplementary Copy Missing and enter the number of missing supplementary copies. Similarly, if any page is blurred, enter the page number wherever required. You can also select other applicable options and provide the necessary details. Once you have completed the form, click on Save and Continue to Preview. Review all the details carefully. If you want to make any changes or add another verification request, select Make another verification request. Do not click Freeze and proceed to payment until you are sure all details are correct. Once frozen, the request cannot be edited. When you are ready, click Lock my request and pay now. You will be redirected to the payment page. Complete the payment online. After successful payment, you can download your application and track the status of your verification request. Now, let's understand re-evaluation. Select the subject for which you want to apply for re-evaluation. Enter the required details carefully. Mention the question number. For example, if you want question 1A to be re-evaluated, simply enter 1A. Next, enter the page number where that question appears in your answer book. Then enter the marks awarded to you in the marks obtained section. Enter the marks you believe should be awarded in the marks claimed box. Finally, provide the reason for your request like step marks not given. Avoid using general reasons. If you wish to add more questions, click on Add New Question. You can repeat this process for all the questions you want to submit for re-evaluation. Then, select Save and Continue to Preview. Once done, review all the details carefully. If you want to submit another re-evaluation request, click Make another re-evaluation request. Remember, once you click Freeze and proceed to payment, your details will be locked and cannot be edited. After verifying everything, proceed to payment and complete the transaction online. Once payment is successful, you can download your application and track the status of your re-evaluation request. Thank you, and CBSE wishes you all the best.